We're in Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic. Today we're just going to wander around, explore the town a little bit. We've been to a lot of beaches, so we're kind of beached out, so it'd be nice just to wander around, see the sights and sounds. So Norwegian docks at Taino Bay, and the good thing about Taino Bay is that there's actually a lot to do in the port itself. So if you want just to wander around here, you can do that, or you can wander a little further out and visit the town. We're going to do a little bit of both today. So there's a lot of stuff in here, clearly a lot of food places. There's actually a beach pool area for families. Lazy River. Okay, duty free. So smoking kills. Why do we smoke? I caught a shoplifter right here. Shoplifter.
Shoplifter?
What are you stealing, woman?
All my purses.
This is a beach that's part of Taino Bay. The only issue here is that you really can't go swimming. But the water must be nice when it's clearer. Right now it's a little cloudy. This is the Lazy River. You see some people coming down the river now, very slowly. Okay, when you get to this cross street here, I guess if you go left, you hit the hammock and the beach, the river, and basically taxis this way. So we're gonna head out just to explore the town a little bit. Okay, there's steady rain here. We're heading toward the exit just to walk towards town, but it's sunny, but it's raining, so. I guess we'll go this way. That's the Ambar Museum. It's one of the attractions here. We're not going to go in. We're a little drenched right now because of the rain, but it just stopped a little bit, so we're going to keep on going. It looks like we're approaching Umbrella Street. It's nice, all these colorful umbrellas. A very lively street, even in the rain. What do you think? We go left a little bit? Let's see if there's anything down this street. Now we'll turn back up. That looks like a main street up there. Want to take a look at the church? Okay, let's cross. Okay, we passed by the Ambar Museum. We were in the Cathedral of San Philip, and this is the Plaza de Independencia. Funny, contrasting the beauty of this historical town with all these nice buildings and landmarks versus the man-made nature of Taino Bay is an interesting contrast. They both are beautiful in their own way, but honestly prefer the natural and historical. Oh, look at this old Oldsmobile, wow. Oh my God, Cutlass Sierra. How'd you remember these cars? Oh, it's a money place, that's why. Yeah, let's turn around. So you do have to be careful, Dominican Republic. I think if you stay in the tourist areas, you're fine, but I don't think you want to wander off too far off the main path. So just look down the street, and if it looks too isolated, I would turn back, and that's what we're doing, just walking back toward the central area. That's a beautiful mural. Okay, very lifelike. Beautiful car. Wow, look at these cars. Nice. All right. Oh, this is another site. Let's look at this thing. Wow, look at this. Somewhere this would be considered a masterpiece of art. Yeah. Heading back to the ship. So we came from that way. Basically, if you turned up the street here and you hit the umbrella alley on the right, you make a right. If you go to the end and make a left, you get to the cathedral, and by the cathedral is Independence Plaza. So basically, this is all pretty much self-contained in a certain area. For my travel videos, one of the things I want to do is give you exact directions how to get to places, and a lot of it's going to be kind of doing a walk and talk. One thing I might suggest is that just take snapshots of the sections that I show you. The other thing I want to do is show you what things cost. A lot of times, especially when you're going to Caribbean islands, what does a taxi cost? What's the entry fees? What does rental for a chair cost? Umbrellas, etc. So I'm hopeful to just pack in helpful hints like that in all these videos, so that way you could use it as a guideline to go to certain places and hopefully enjoy and hopefully not spend too much time haggling, because really negotiating prices is always a pain in the ass when it comes to that part of it. So we're back to Taino Bay. It's been a rainy day, so we're kind of wet here, but we saw a lot of the sights that you would see in town. It was nice just to wander around a little bit with no real agenda. Part of the fun exploring was just to wander around to see sights and not have a plan. That's kind of what we did today. And the nice thing about it is that the structure of the town allowed us to wander around and see most of the sites very quickly. So it was a nice day. So this MSC World America is much larger than our ship, and our ship's pretty big. I think our ship's 140,000 deadweight tons. This one is probably much bigger. It's all the healthy stuff. I've avoided the station at all costs. So roast pork leg, that looks really good. A lot of good Indian food here. So I just grabbed a little of everything from the buffet. I got roast pork loin there, got some rice, some meatballs, some mozzarella sticks. Gonna dig into it.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss future videos.